welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Government forms SIT to probe illegal mining case, announces to revoke suspension of 24 to 30 mining leases, cancellation of 118 inactive mining leases. Second case of gold smuggling in Goa. Police nabs 2 Sri Lankans and an Indian with gold worth 1 crore 30 lakh rupees at Daboli airport. Prudent App, a big hit. First upgrade rolled out on Tuesday. Now Twitter, text, news and other features available on app. 10,000 hits till now. CM's spree of assurances continues, gives his word to 5th, 6th standard students of supplying tabs within 15 days. And no permissions for construction before conversion sanad, says Chief Town Planner. NGPDA tells government to resolve the issue. And now the news in detail. Goa government has decided to lift the suspension of almost 24 to 30 working mining leases. However, mining operations will not resume till Supreme Court lifts the ban and leases get environmental clearances. Chief Minister said government has formed a special investigation team to investigate into illegal mining. 118 inactive mining leases have been cancelled.
After Shah Commission's report, state government had suspended all the working leases on 15 September in 2012. Now government has decided to withdraw suspension orders of all working mining leases in a phased manner. Mines Minister Manohar Parrikar has decided to issue withdrawal of suspension order to 24 to 30 mines whose documents are clear.
आम्ही काही मायनीचे हे केली चेकिंग केले त्यांचे लिजी हे केले फायनलाइज केले आणि स्लोली वन बाय वन ह्यो मायनी येणाऱ्या दिसा भितर आमच्या बंदींच्यान आमी उठयतले तेन्ना आमी आमचे व्हेरिफिकेशन केले 24 काय कितें आमी क्लियर केले those mines will be in that process of removal from the ban.
The state has 90 working mining leases, of which 12 leases may face direct suspension since they have not followed legal procedure, while some of the mining leases fall into wildlife sanctuary zones which would not get environmental clearances.
Operational line approximately 90. It varied between 86 to 92 at different times. तातल्यो भितरल्यो 12 त्यो 10 काय 12 कितें तरी कंडोनेशन दिल्ल्यो आशिल्ल्यो उरता सादारण 80 मायनी त्या 80 24 ते 30च्या मध्ये कितें तरी क्लियर जाले फर्स्ट लॉट क्लियर जाले म्हणजे वी हॅव नॉट विथड्रॉन देम फ्रॉम सस्पेन्शन बट are the ones which are being considered for withdrawal from suspension.
केन्ना म्हणसर ते withdrawal सुरू जातले?
Much before the Supreme Court starts hearing or
this month only.
He also clarified that resumption of mining operation is possible only after Supreme Court's order and environmental clearances from Ministry of Environment and Forest.
If tomorrow Supreme Court allows and environment clearance is obtained, they can start functioning. They need not get delayed because of our stoppage.
Parrikar said that the state government has formed a SIT to probe the legal mining.
We are filing individual FIRs also over a period of time. Examination is going on. Case to case, lafdi आमी सोडून काडून चालू आहा. ती आमी हे घेतली. SIT is being formed, Special Investigation Team under the new SP, Senior SP who is being placed as a DIG.
Yes.
Taja under SIT is being formed.
For all these mining cases will go to him. From crime branch also.
He will be SP economic offences.
The government will also cancel 118 dead mining leases. Goa has 700 odd mining leases, of which only 90 are operational. Meanwhile, sources from crime branch have different story to tell. Though the crime branch has registered the FIR in illegal mining case, it would take almost 3 years to complete the probe. Requesting not to quote the name, the senior officer said that crime branch has very limited manpower and the task is huge. As of now, only those names named in the Shah, CEC and PAC report have been mentioned in the FIR. New names of accused be added as the investigation progresses. With video journalist Chetan Gawas, a reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa is witnessing a rise in gold smuggling cases at Dabholi airport. Customs seized 4.13 kg of gold worth 1 crore 30 lakh rupees at Dabholi airport on Tuesday. Two Sri Lankans and an Indian have been arrested in this case. They had travelled to Goa from Dubai. This is the second case within a month.
Skyrocketing gold prices seems to have energized gold smuggling in India. The Air Intelligence Unit of Customs attached to the Dabholi airport arrested two Sri Lankan and an Indian for possessing 4.13 kg of gold worth over 1 crore 30 lakhs in the wee hours of Tuesday. The passengers are learned to have travelled from Dubai via Air India flight. According to highly placed sources, the Air Intelligence Unit had received information about the transportation of some illegal consignment by air. This is the second case within a month. Earlier on 21st July, Customs team attached to Dabholi airport had arrested a Goa-bound passenger from Sharjah for possessing 1.5 kg of gold worth over Rs 42 lakh. We contacted the customs officer at Dabholi airport, but they refused to comment. The gold smuggling cases have gained importance with gold prices crossing 31,000 mark. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Prudent App is becoming the next big thing in the Play Store of Android phones. App has received 10,000 hits in 5 days, still maintaining its rating of 4.7 stars out of 5. The public demand of running text news on app has been fulfilled now. Twitter account of Prudent has been integrated in the app and it has been improvised layout. More than 100 people have given 5 stars to the app. The first update was rolled out on Tuesday.
Prudent App was launched on 15th August. Now within 5 days, the app of Goa's #1 infotainment channel is attaining new milestones. What are they? Well, Prudent App is getting more than 10,000 hits every day after 5 days of its launch. Text news service begins on Prudent application. Prudent Twitter account also incorporated into app. Layout improvised and made more stylish. Prudent App maintains its 4.7 stars rating after 5 days of its launch. More than 100 people rated 5 star on Play Store. These are the reviews of Prudent followers in the Play Store on the more improvised and modified app on Tuesday. Narendra Sawant says, "Great job, very important app, must have on every Goan smartphone." Madhav Chari from Bahrain, "Prudent news can be seen now in Middle East. Thanks for Prudent Media." Sandesh Arsekar from Dubai, "Wow, great job Prudent. This is a good news. I can watch Independence Day celebration from Goa in Dubai. I can watch all Goa news today onwards. Thanks a lot Prudent." Naresh Patarpekar says, "Nice app, too good. Love this app and video quality is also good." Nikita Shirodkar says, "Keep it up, now a favorite channel in a pocket size." And there are many more. If you have not upgraded your Prudent app, then visit the Play Store on Android phone now and upgrade the app today. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has come up with another assurance to the school kids. This time he says students of 5th and 6th standard will get tabs within 15 days. He distributed laptops to 11 standard students at Sangya under government cyber aid scheme.
जसे दीस वता अशे आमी सीरीज बिरीज काही प्रोवायड करतले हाज्यो म्हणजे मास्टर कितें शिकयता टिचर कितें शिकयता तें कळना समजा जाल्यार तोच चॅप्टर घरा वचून परतो पळोवन सवकास परत शिकून घेवं येता. एप्रील म्हयन्यांत युअर चॉयस, मेक गुड यूज ऑफ इट. जे दिला ते सगळ्या भुरग्यांक तातूंतल्यान नॉलेज मेळचे हाजे खातीर दिल्ल्या. 5वी म्हणजे अंदूची 6वी 7वे टॅबाचे एनालिसीस चालू आहा. मातशें सवकास करता चड कडक तपासता. नाल्यार हांवें सांगलेलें 15-20 तारखेक ऑगस्टाचे पर्यंत दिता पूण म्हाका दिसता ऑगस्ट 4 पयली सुरवात जातली न्हू दिवपाक. ताणें ऑलरेडी ते एनालिसीस चालू केला, तो सारकें करता ते बरोबर. मातशे 1-2 दीस उशीर जाले आता पूण सारको प्रॉडक्ट मेळूंक जाय म्हणून हांवूय कळ काडू घाई करून 15 ऑगस्ट म्हणलेलें हांवें, पण मातशें थोडोसो एक 8-10 दीस उशीर जाला. तांचेय तुमचे शाळेन हांगा आसा भुरगीं तुमची धाकटे भाव बी आसा, भयणां तांकां एक 15 दिसान सादारणपणे प्रोसिजर जातलो, तांकांय कॅब मेळटलो.
He distributed laptops to the students of 11th standard at Sangay on the birthday of Sangay MLA Subhash Faldesai. Many senior BJP leaders and well-wishers witnessed the celebrations. A physically challenged polytechnic topper student Sarvesh Gaonkar was felicitated on the occasion. Mayur Naik for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.